Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to be showing us how to get a amazing prompt to generate images on Ideogram.ai. So you open your Chrome browser, you enter you log into your account. So once you log into your account, it's going to come to home. So now what you need to do is that if you want to generate amazing prompts, you try and study other people's prompts. Like now, let me assume that what I want to generate is something like, maybe I want to generate a logo. So now I'm going to click on this. Then I will now look for I will now check the prompts that the person used so that I'll be able to use it. So now let me check on, there is no really much prompt here. Okay, they just say make logo with name gas this. Okay, so now let me make a logo. Let me just, you see the way this prompt is. So now if I want to make my own logo, I may not have to copy it. I will just go to my home I will now click on my own prompt. You see that I'm learning, so I will now say make a logo with the name Umeira Concepts. So now let me generate it. If I want it to be 3D, I'll put typography. If I want it to be 3D, I'll put 3D and cinematic. So let me put 3D and make it a 3D. There is no 3D render. Then let me generate it and see how it will generate it. And I wait for it to load. So now this is the logo that it generates for me. So you see, because I want it to be, I said I want 3D and I want it to, if I want other thing, like if I want HD background, I will specify in it. This one is just like a simple prompt. Now let's go and look for a more complex prompt. So to do that, let me download this. Let me go back. We'll look for image that looks more complex. Like now you can imagine the boy is not only there, the boy is with the iPhone and also standing on the road. So you can click on it to look for a more prompt, a more difficult prompt. So now you see the prompt bar. Cute cartoon style of a baby boy with headphone wearing this. So if you want exactly something like this, you can copy it. If you don't want something like this, you can as well copy it and use it as a guide to create your own. So now, or you can easily remix, just like I showed us in the previous video. So now let's let's create a new one. Then let's cute photo of a black baby girl with flower, let's say pink flower, bunch of flower, wearing a pink gown with the name Nana. There is no need for black chain because we already said it's a gown, brown eye, and black hair. So now let's generate this. There is no need for, let's generate this. There is need for 3D, and there is also need for anime, because we are using animation. So let me generate it and wait for it to load. So now you can see the one that it's generated for us. If we like any of them, we're just going to download it, and if we don't like any of them, we're going to leave them and regenerate it and rephrase our work. So that's it about creating and generating prompts um for Ideogram. So now let me just check my work and show you some of the things that I've done before, in case if you like it, so that we can use it to generate, to generate something. So now see the way I create this logo. See the prompt that I use. Create a 3D HD, or you see that this one, but I also copied it from someone. So let's copy it, or we can just remix it as well. Let's just remix it, then we'll change the name. So that's it about creating this one. Let me use a what do you call it, let me use a page that is bigger. Okay, generate and see. So now it has started, it has completed the generation of the logo. So I can use any of them if I like it. That's it about creating more complex images. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.